Good morning, class 3. How are you, bete? I hope everyone is fit and fine. So, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 11, Light, Sound, and Force. The name of the chapter is Light, Sound, and Force. So, as the name itself telling us what we'll read about, we understand light, sound, and what is force in this chapter. So let's start. Come to page number 106 of your book. We know that the sun gives us light. As night falls, we use different objects to give us light. So better we know that sun is giving us light. The light from the sun is coming to us and we are able to see the things around us. If no light is coming, means if there isn't any sun, so no light will be there and there will be darkness all around and we will not able to see anything. Light is coming, you are able to see me, you are able to see this board. So this is everything is possible due to the light that is coming from the sun. Sun is the natural source of light. Look at the objects given in the picture below. Answer the questions that follow. So there are some pictures given to you on this page and questions given below these pictures. You have to answer that questions. First question is, which of the above objects give off light on their own? As there are objects given: sun, lamp, bulb, candle, lantern, stars, and table lamp. Sun, it is a natural source of light, means it has its own light. First answer is this, sun. Lamp, it doesn't have its own light. Something is there in the lamp that gives this light. Bulb, it is lighting with the help of the electricity. Candle also has wax. Lantern also something else. Stars, they also have their own light. Table lamp, it is also lighting with the help of the electricity. So first answer is the sun and stars. Both these have their own lights. Do all the above objects give off light? Yes, this is correct. All the objects give off light. सारे ही लाइट देते हैं. Yes. Can you see anything when you enter a dark room? No, we cannot see anything when we enter a dark room. The moment you switch on the bulb or the tube light, you can see everything. Can you read a book with lights off? No. This is because we need light to see things. So beta, we cannot see anything if there isn't any light. When the night falls, what happens? We use bulbs, tube lights to see the things, because at night time there isn't any sun. Sun तो होता नहीं जिसकी अपनी light है. तो what do we use at that time? We use bulbs, tube lights to see the things around us. If you are sitting in a dark room, can you read a book? No, you cannot read a book because there isn't any light. So to see the things around us, light is must. So first topic we'll read is understanding light. What is light? Light helps us to see. The sun is the main source of heat and light on the earth. The sun, candle, diya, torch, tube light, and lamp are examples of objects that give off light. Fireflies that we see in the dark night also emit light of their own. Objects that give out light are called luminous. Do remember, however, that the moon only reflects the light of the sun. We always see the lit face of the moon. So better light, it helps us to see the things. Which is the natural source of light? That is the sun. Sun is the natural source of light and heat, because the light that is coming from the sun, it also has heat. Heat भी होती है उसमें. Sun, candle, diya, torch, tube light, all these objects, they give off light. So the objects that give off light, they are called luminous objects. जो objects हमें light देते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं luminous objects. Luminous. Fireflies that fly in the dark night also emit light of their own. Fireflies, you must have seen fireflies, जो जुगनू बोलते हैं, they also have their light, they also emit light. आप देखोगे डार्क नाइट में तो वो जगमग जगमग करते हैं. Do remember, however, the moon only reflects the light of the sun. Moon gives us light, but it does not have its own light. मून हमें लाइट तो देता है बट उसकी अपनी लाइट नहीं होती, वो सन की लाइट होती है. मून इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स द लाइट ऑफ द सन. सन की लाइट उसके ऊपर पड़ती है तो वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके नीचे आती है. मून एंड सन, so it reflects the light of the sun. Moon doesn't have its own light. Paper, table, kite and bed are examples of objects that do not give off light. Objects that do not give off light are called non-luminous objects. Objects that give us light are called luminous objects. Objects that do not give us light are called non-luminous objects. Non-luminous, जो नहीं देते हैं उन्हें बोलते हैं non-luminous. When light falls on any object, we can see it. We see non-luminous objects only when light falls on them. So बेटे, we see, you are able to see me. मुझे देख सकते हो आप, या बोर्ड को देख रहे हो. Why? Because light is falling on it. लाइट पड़ रही है, फिर वो रिफ्लेक्ट टकरा के आपकी आंखों में जा रही है, तो that is why you are able to see all this in front of you. Non-luminous subjects. Non-luminous को कैसे देखते हो? जैसे टेबल है, चेयर है. यू आर एबल टू सी अ टेबल एंड चेयर व्हेन लाइट फॉल्स ऑन इट. अगर वो डार्क रूम में पड़ा है तो आप देख सकते हो उसको? नो, वी कैन नॉट सी इट बिकॉज इट इज नॉन ल्यूमिनस. ल्यूमिनस तो लाइट देते हैं, बल्ब भी देख सकते हो, ट्यूबलाइट देखते हैं हम. बट इन द darkness we cannot see non-luminous objects. We can only see them when light falls on them. Next topic is shadow. You must have heard this word shadow. छाए बोलते हैं जिसको, that is a shadow. This is also formed due to light. Have you ever noticed a dark patch on the ground when you stand outside in the sun or under a street light? The dark patch is your shadow. Shadows are formed when an object blocks the path of light from luminous objects like the sun, bulb or candle. Sometimes the shadows are smaller and sometimes they are bigger than the actual size. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the light. So beta, you must have seen a dark patch. आप किसी ट्री के नीचे खड़े हो तो उसके नीचे आपने डार्क पैच देखा होगा कि डार्कनेस, उसका जो उसका पूरा स्ट्रक्चर है ट्री का वो ऐसे ही दिखता है, बट इट इज अ ब्लैक कलर. सो दैट इज द शेडो. हाउ इट इज फॉर्म्ड? सपोज this is your tree, this is the sun. The light of the sun is falling on this tree. ट्री के ऊपर पड़ी और ट्री ने आगे नहीं जाने दी वो लाइट, मीन्स इट ब्लॉक द लाइट. ट्री ने वो लाइट ब्लॉक कर दी. सो द ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट ब्लॉक्स द पाथ ऑफ द लाइट दे फॉर्म द शेडोज. जो लाइट की पाथ को ब्लॉक करते हैं उन्हीं ही ऑब्जेक्ट्स की शेडो बनती है. सो इसने ब्लॉक कर दी पाथ ऑफ द लाइट, सो इस तरफ क्या हो जाएगी, नीचे इसकी शेडो बन जाएगी ट्री की. डार्क पैच, वैसे ही डार्कनेस, डार्क कलर का ट्री आपको नीचे ऑन द अर्थ यू विल सी दैट पैच. सो दैट इज द शेडो. शेडोज आर फॉर्म्ड व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट ब्लॉक्स द पाथ ऑफ लाइट फ्रॉम ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट्स. दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट, ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, ये ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट है. यहां से लाइट आ रही है, इसने ब्लॉक की, तो यहां पे इसकी दूसरी साइड पे क्या होगी, शेडो बन गई. शेडो इज ऑलवेज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ द लाइट सोर्स. अगर लाइट सोर्स इस तरफ है तो शेडो दूसरी तरफ बनेगी. अगर लाइट सोर्स इस तरफ है तो शेडो इस तरफ बनेगी. मीन्स इट इज ऑलवेज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ द लाइट सोर्स. समटाइम्स द शेडोज आर स्मॉलर, समटाइम्स दे आर बिगर देन द एक्चुअल साइज. अगर ट्री बड़ा है तो शेडो उसकी छोटी भी हो सकती है, बड़ी भी हो सकती है. दे आर नॉट ऑलवेज द सेम. कुछ टाइम दिन के वो छोटी होती है, कुछ टाइम दिन के वो बड़ी हो जाती है. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the light. A picture is given to you, long shadow in the morning, a boy is standing, he is blocking the path of the light. सन की किरणें उसके पर पड़ रही हैं, रेज, और वो आगे नहीं जा रही, लाइट मींस उसने ब्लॉक कर दी लाइट। तो सन की ऑपोजिट साइड क्या बन गई उस लड़के की? शेडो। सो दैट इज द डार्क पैच दैट इज फॉर्म्ड। नेक्स्ट इज एन एक्टिविटी to observe the change in the length of shadow during the day. We say that shadow they change their size, कि मॉर्निंग में शेडो का साइज और होता है, आफ्टरनून में कुछ और है, और इवनिंग में साइज कुछ और है। हाउ वी कैन सी दिस, कैसे वो आप बता सकते हो? टेक अ लॉन्ग स्टिक लो एक, वॉच, मेजरिंग टेप, notebook and pencil. You have to take all these things. What you have to do is, on a bright sunny day, set up a stick in the middle of a playground. एक प्लेग्राउंड के सेंटर में वो स्टिक लगा दो। Suppose this is your stick. ये आपने सेंटर में लगा दी ग्राउंड के। Measure and record the length of the stick's shadow at different size time of the day, that is in the morning, in the afternoon and in the evening. Suppose light of the sun is coming from this side, यहां से आ रही है लाइट सन की, पड़ रही है स्टिक के ऊपर, मीन्स इसने ब्लॉक कर दी लाइट। तो शेडो किस तरफ बनेगी इसकी? इस तरफ, नीचे। तो आपने क्या करना है? यू हैव टू टेक मेजरिंग टेप, पेंसिल एंड नोटबुक, मेजर द साइज ऑफ द शेडो। साइज मेजर करना है अपने, मॉर्निंग में मेजर करना है कि कितना साइज है शेडो का, देन आफ्टरनून, देन इन द इवनिंग। राइट डाउन द मेजरमेंट्स इन योर नोटबुक। व्हेन इज द लेंथ ऑफ द शेडो शॉर्टेस्ट, व्हेन इज द लेंथ लॉन्गेस्ट। आपने देखना है कि लेंथ ऑफ द शेडो इज शॉर्टेस्ट एट व्हाट टाइम ऑफ द डे एंड लॉन्गेस्ट एट व्हाट टाइम ऑफ द डे। किस टाइम, मॉर्निंग में ज्यादा है, इवनिंग में ज्यादा है, या आफ्टरनून में? मॉर्निंग में कम है, आफ्टरनून में कम है, या इवनिंग में कम है? What do you observe? The shadow is shortest at the noon and longer in morning and evening. The length of the shadow changes during the day. When afternoon is there, the length of the shadow will be shortest. सबसे ज्यादा कम शेडो की लेंथ होगी नून टाइम, मीन्स दोपहर के टाइम। When the sun is on your head, जब सन उस आपके हेड के ऊपर होता है। In the morning and in the evening, the length of the shadow will be longest. So this is the activity related to the measurement of the shadow. So do it. It is a very simple activity. Next is circle the odd one out in each of the following. That is let's remember. Now come to let's remember on the same page. Circle the odd one out in each of the following. We have to circle the odd one out. कौन सा ऑड है उसको सर्कल करना है। First is a sun, paper, kite and bed. 4 things are there. Sun is a natural source of light. Paper, kite and bed, they are non-luminous. Sun luminous है, बाकी सारे non-luminous है. So which will be odd one out? Sun. Number 2, bulb, tube light, plant and fire. Bulb also gives you light, tube light also, fire also, but plant it doesn't gives light. So plant is the odd one out. Next, shadow, long, short, noon. Long, short is related to shadow. Shadow, long, short, noon is the time. So noon is the odd one out. Next, write T for the true and F for the false statements. Light helps us to see things. That is correct because we are able to see things due to light only. So first will be your true. Shadow is always black. That is also true. Shadow हमेशा black होती है, dark ही होती है. That is true. The length of the shadow remains the same throughout the day. That is false because the length of the shadow it alters or it varies throughout the day. मॉर्निंग में छोटी या बड़ी, आफ्टरनून में छोटी और इवनिंग में then it is also long. So third one is false. First true, second true, third one is false. So this was, let's remember. Next topic is understanding sound. Light we have read. Now come to the topic sound. What is a sound? आवाज, that is a sound. जो आवाज आती है, that is a sound. When we talk, we are making a sound. Our tongue helps us to make sound. We hear sounds of all kinds with the help of our ears. If you strike a steel tumbler with a spoon, it makes a sound. We hear various kinds of sounds such as ring of a bell or telephone, the cry of a baby and the bark of a dog. Some sounds are soft, example whisper. Some sounds are loud, example ring of the school bell. Some sounds are pleasant, example music. Some sounds are unpleasant, example the continuous honking of a vehicle. We like to hear soft and pleasant sounds. We do not like to hear loud and unpleasant sounds. So better sound. Our ears, they help us to hear the sound. कोई भी चीज हम बोल रहे हैं, I am talking, I am making sound. I am making sound and you are able to hear that sound. If I am striking the board with this marker, I am making a sound. Sound is produced. Sound आ रही है ना आपको? That is also a sound. So our tongue, it helps to make sound. अगर हम बोल रहे हैं तो हमारी tongue help करती है sound को produce करने में. During the day we hear different kinds of sound. We hear the sound of chirping of birds. We hear the sounds of bells or telephone rings. We hear the sound of the utensils in the kitchens. So there are different kinds of sounds that we hear during the day. If you strike the tumbler, steel tumbler with the spoon, अगर ग्लास है या टम्बलर है उसको आप स्ट्राइक करोगे स्पून के साथ, you will hear a sound. Some sounds, they are very pleasant and some they are unpleasant. कुछ तो हैं हमें अच्छी लगती हैं साउंड, कुछ है अनप्लेजेंट, मीन्स वी गेट इरिटेटेड, हम इरिटेट हो जाते हैं वो साउंड सुन के. सम साउंड्स दे आर वेरी सॉफ्ट, एग्जांपल विस्पर. विस्पर होता है बेटे जब आप मुंह में बोलते हो, आई एम विस्परिंग, आई एम विस्परिंग, यू आर अनएबल टू हियर मी. अगर मैं विस्पर करूंगी तो आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं सुनेगी. सो दैट इज विस्परिंग, दैट इज द सॉफ्ट साउंड. Some sounds they are loud. Example, the ring of the school bell. When your period it gets over, then the bell rings. Means in the school, that is the loud sound. Loud sound that comes to means that the whole school is able to hear that sound. Sorry. Some sounds are pleasant. Example, music. Pleasant means we are happy to hear that sound. Means हमें खुशी मिलती है. कुछ ऐसी sounds होती हैं like the sound of music. We become happy to hear the sound of music. Some sounds are unpleasant. Unpleasant means we get irritated when we hear that sound. Example, continuous honking of the vehicles. जब continuous horns बजते हैं vehicles के, they irritate us. we irritate हो जाते हैं हम in the market or on the roads. That is the unpleasant sound. We like to hear soft and pleasant sound. We do not like to hear loud and unpleasant sound. हमें कौन सी sound पसंद है? Soft and pleasant. That gives us happiness. But we don't like the loud and unpleasant sound because that sound irritates us. So bete, this was the sound topic. We have covered today two topics, light and sound. At home, you will read these two topics. Then you will understand. And the last topic, that is the force, that we'll read in the next lecture. And a small portion of the sound topic, that is noise, also left. That will also continue in the next lecture. So, bete, thank you and have a nice day.